Hello, Professor. This is Upender, and today I'm presenting a project documentation like on document summarization. In simple, it's a text summarization, and along with my teammates Ashwant and Triloknath. So, coming to project objective, like document summarization, in sense, we are doing a text summarization in our project. Like we are like we all know that in this modern world we have less time to read a large article. So in this sense, we are this project will be very useful. And so coming to the next slide, basically we are cutting down the sentence and getting the exact meaning of those sentence by using this approach. So in this we use we are using two approaches like extract to summarization and abstract to summarization. Basically, the extract to summarization, it defines like we take identify the important sentence or phrase from original text and extract only those from the text. And coming to the abstract to summarization, this is exactly construct to the extract to approach, like uh, where we use only the sentence that that were present. So text summarization, basically these project mainly useful for news articles, like you know we have less time to read the whole article, so we just get the exact meaning. And also when we search in encyclopedia like Google, uh, we get the other suggested links. So those all links also comes by using this NLP text summarization projects by these two approaches. And coming to the goal, my friend Ashwant will be explaining that.
Hello, this is Yashwan. The goal of this project is to text summarization model based on summaries for one or many documents of a time. Here in this, we solve the text summarization problem using the pre-training machine neural network model, which is T5. In this project, we are using the tools, we are using the libraries like PyTorch, Transformers, and Python. And we are using the T5 here, T5 model. T5 is refers to text refer transformation model. It determines the all NLP tasks into all text to text format. The input and output are always text string. This is for multiple tasks, one to many and many to one summarizations. So here for this project, we're using the data set is a news article that has 94K data sample for training. For testing, we're using a data set like a 11K data sample. So from here, my friend Trilok will continue.
Yeah, so this is our data set. So this is my like two columns, one is text and one is headlines. So I got only 5 because it was too much MB, so I just got only 5 rows. So this is my training set. So here my friend said like it was T model. I implemented the T model in here. So I trained the model and I given the approaches, all these things. So when it comes to like model params, so this model name is like D5, and the train batch size was 8 and the valid batch size was 8, and the train approach I given like 25 approaches, and this is like my learning rate was 1e-4, so seed was 42, and this is the maximum text length. It was like iterated, or what we call the source text was maximum 512, and the maximum target text length was 50. So here I given like the column headline column to target one and my text column to source text. So in order to generate the text, so I given like 25 approaches. At first approach, my loss approach 0, my loss was 7.2. So when it comes to like 24th one, the loss was 0.04, so it was reduced so from 7 to 0. So after training I given the text data. So I took only 2 rows. So this is my like article, one column, highlights one column, ID is the other column. So I done like pre-processing, what is the size, what is the like is there any null, everything. So at the end, what I was given was, it was like I took rogue. Rogue is nothing but it's a like a evolution matrix. It is used to like measure the quality of the model. In rogue score, uh, in rogue score it have like three parameters like rogue 1, rogue 2, and rogue L, because it follows the n-gram model. So in rogue again we have like a recall, precision, and f1. In recall we have 0.36, and precall it was 0.29. This means what it means like uh, it measures are like it shows the difference, or it was the similarities between the target actual text and generated text. The similarities, it is the similarities between like actual and generated. So it was 0.36 the similarities. So in precision the similarity was 0.29. It is the f1 means f1 score. So in rogue we follow like the range 0 to 1. If it was like near to 1, it have like almost similarities, the actual text and what we predicted in the model. If it was 0, there is no similarities between the actual text and generated text. So at the end what I have to say is like we have one limitation. It is called the scope of development with moderate accuracy and can process only the text is in the English language. If it was in English language, then it will applicable. If it was other language, it won't be applicable. So at the end, what I have to say is a goal data set, and it was my reference. So I got from here. So this is my overall project. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you, Professor.